What's it look like we're doing? Redneck firewood. No way! Snapped right off. That's how you know she's old. Off to a good start. Let me know when we're gonna head, alright? Dude. That's actually gonna work. It's gonna be a 6-way kind of day. All right, fellas, today we're rocking a little bit of old with the new. We're running the American CLS Animal with the 6-way, coupled with the circa 1970, we'll say to be safe, perfectly patinaed 32-foot hay conveyor. Everything's being powered by the DJI power bank out here in the wood yard because we don't have electricity and I can't run an extension cord off the neighbor. I'll go to jail. So let's get to it. All right, boys, so I'm going to be honest. Looks like we still got a little bit of figuring out to do with this system. Break my damn hand. Cocksucker. We're getting somewhere. I don't know where, but we're getting there. Oh yeah. Oh, we'll have to look into a fix for that. Grizzly bars? Elliot? Boys. No way. Take a look. That's not supposed to happen. I think we jumped off the gear here. Just hopped once. That looks straight. That's completely sheared, but I think we could fix this. Some tension right there though, sucker. Still the best $400 I ever spent right here. The tension is going to be the issue here. I need a little more than that. How am I going to wrap the wire around? Oh yeah. I mean, how many wraps are we gonna do here? I think as many as we could possibly fit in there. Are you too good for your home? We chop this. Spin the piss out of it. That's all I can fit in between these vice grips. Now I don't know if having this sitting out will be a problem. I kind of want to snip it, but I also kind of don't want it to break off and open up. This side's kind of sloppy. Hopefully it tightens up. You know what? I realized my head on backwards. You guys probably can't hear me. Alright, I'm gonna fold this one this way. And this one this way. Odds that this works? Slim. Let's try it. Well, she worked. However, this isn't the only kink in my current setup. As you can see on the non-operator side here, I'm losing a lot of wood. I'm gonna have to figure out some kind of funnel system to get everything to fall right here where I want it. Now, I know a lot of you guys are gonna disagree with this, but this is too big for the wood that I sell. This is gonna have to get resplit underneath here. Great option on this is you could split right underneath the wedge. With the hydraulic adjustable wedge, you just pick it up like so. I'm gonna fire the machine back up, get this thing rolling, see how long that wire lasts. Probably another 40 years. And I'm gonna try and run this machine from the other side for videography purposes. See if you guys can't get a good view. All right, all the controls are gonna be backwards, so let's see what I can do. I think I can handle it. I'm hitting the wrong lever. Took incredibly way too long, as per usual operating procedures here on the channel, but we're trending in the right direction. We overcame some obstacles, but we've got a couple more to go. We're going to figure out how to funnel that wood into here. We are going to probably get some sheet metal and cover up some problem areas on this death trap. Thank you guys for watching this one. Come on back. We got piles of aspen, we got piles of ash, we got hickory, we got saw logs. We got a lot of work to do, so I'll do my best to film it for your guys' enjoyment. Take care, fellas.